Assalamualaikum. My name is Oha Education Wali and I am a student at Rehan College, Karachi. So today's video is also about our TEDx talk, The Puzzle of Motivation by Dan Pink. This video is a powerful critique of how modern businesses try to inspire their employees for decades. The standard way to get people to work harder was to use intrinsic motivators, which Pink calls carrot and stick. This is a simple idea that if you reward a behavior with money, you get more of it, and if you punish a behavior, you get less of it. While this worked perfectly during the Industrial Revolution for its routine tasks like assembly line work, Pink argues that this old school model is actually breaking our modern economy. The puzzle at the heart of his work is based on a famous scientific experiment called the Candle problem. In this study, people were asked to solve a creative puzzle. One group was offered a cash prize to finish quickly, while the other was not. Surprisingly, the group offered the money took longer to solve the problem than the other group. So, Pink explains that high stakes rewards narrow our focus and block the creative peripheral vision that is needed to solve complex problems. In short, when the task requires even a tiny bit of thinking or creativity, financial incentives can actually backfire and lead to worse performance. To replace this broken system, Pink introduces new model based on intrinsic motivation, the drive to do something because it is interesting, challenging, or observed into our sense of identity. He identifies three specific ingredients that make people truly productive and happy. The first is autonomy, which is a desire to be self directed. People want to have a say in when they work, how they work, and who they work with. When employees feel like they are in the driver's seat of their own lives, they engage more deeply with their tasks. The second ingredient is mastery. This is the urge to get better and better at something that matters to us. Pink points out that many people do incredibly difficult work for free, like playing a musical instrument or contributing to open source software, simply because they enjoy the process of improving and doing that work. Finally, there is purpose. This is the feeling that our work is part of something bigger than ourselves. When a company's goal is only to make a profit, it loses the purpose motive that keeps employees energized over the long term. Ultimately, Dan Pink's review of human motivation is a call to action for leaders and individuals alike. He argues that if we want to solve the big problems of the 21st century, we have to stop treating people like horses that need a carrot to move. Instead, we need to create environments that respect human nature by giving people the freedom to innovate, the tools to grow, and a meaningful reason to show up every morning. It is a transition from a culture of compliance to a culture of management. So, at the last, Pink's message is a wake up call for the modern world. He proves that if we want high performance and happy people, we have to stop treating employees like horses that need a carrot to move on. By focusing on by focusing on autonomy, mastery, and purpose, we can bridge the gap between what science knows and what businesses actually do. That was what Dan Pink tries to explain in his video, that we should let the employees enjoy their work and do it with their heart. And that was it. And thanks. Let's meet in our next video. That was and Allah Hafiz.